There's not a lot of sunlight today, but hopefully you guys can still see how fucking dirty this is. All right, so I'm gonna test out this navel jelly. Let me get this line on for you guys. It's not perfect, but I don't feel like fully spending the time to take care of this right now, so I'm just gonna paint over it with Rust Reformer for now and then get back to it later, just because there's so much to do. Well, I'm kind of disappointed that the Rust Reformer came on white, because the spray version is black and like when you paint over it looks great, but I guess it doesn't matter because I was just doing this to stop the rust from getting worse, but kind of hoping that it would at least look good, but whatever. I'm just gonna put no, I'm not gonna put the carpet back on it. I'm actually, so I need to start over, goddamn.